Hello, my name is Logan Olson.
My name is Francesca Ng.
My name's Ethan No.
And my name is Aaron Francis Lerma.
And today we are going to be examining the Nerf N-Strike Elite Strong Arm Blaster. This is the general assembly of the Nerf gun. As you can see, it's mostly made out of plastic, but it also consists of screws, springs, and foam for the dart. Taking away all other components of the Nerf gun, these are all the parts that are made of plastic. And if you take a deeper look into the plastic components, as you can see on the front plate right here, it's not difficult to see that it is injection molding. There are tapered lines and there are sprue removal marks, which is a clear indication that it's injection molded. And the reason why you injection mold a part like this is because it's efficient at high productions, it is repeatable, there's low cost to make each part, and it reduces the post-production work you need to do with the Nerf gun. Alternative methods that you could potentially do is 3D printing, but economically it wouldn't be as viable and it would cost significantly more to do so.
We determined that the screws were made through cold heading then thread rolling. Cold heading would have given it that perfectly rounded Phillips screw head top, and thread rolling would have threaded it while also giving it that sunken end from the material that was forced down, and that black finish could have been a black oxide coating. Some alternative methods that were considered were machining and plastic injection molding. Machining is popular for threaded components, but it's harder to machine stainless steel, and it wouldn't have that sunken end from being on a lathe. And plastic can be pre-colored for injection molding, but it's just not as cost effective when you think about how cheap these screws are.
For the springs, rolling turns billets of metal into wires. These wires are then cold coiled, heat treated, and surface finished based on the specifications needed. Some possible alternative methods to springs are bending and stamping. But the main cons is that both methods only work on small springs such as the one shown on the left. And the spring shown on the right is much too long for bending and stamping to be effective.
For the Nerf dart, the main part of the dart is made out of a polyurethane foam. Polyurethane foam is made by reacting polyols and diisocyanates. To manufacture these darts, they have to go through a process like the polyurethane foam process. Diisocyanates and polyols are mixed together, then they are molded/cut, and then they solidify to make the dart. The assemblies at the bottom, as you can see, they are made out of silicone, glue, and rubber. And here is a clip demonstrating how to use the Nerf gun. Here is our references, and thank you for watching.